Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on 5G on this phone. First of all, go to settings page, then tap on the option mobile service. First of all, we need to enable the option mobile data. After enable the mobile data, here you can see the option mobile data options. Tap on this one. Here you can see the option voice and data. Tap on this one. You can see 5G auto, 5G on, 4G. Here you can see what is 5G auto. 5G auto uses 5G only when needed for performance while optimizing the battery life. 5G on uses 5G whenever it is available, even when it may reduce battery life or performance. So you can select 5G auto or 5G on. It will take only the 5G network. Okay, so you can select 5G auto or 5G on. So simply in this way we can turn on or enable the 5G on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.